Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be heading into CVS. It is October the 9th. I haven't shopped CVS for a couple of weeks because the deals were not just working for me at all. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you smash that red subscribe button and click that notification bell to all so you know when all of my deals are coming out. Also, join me on Facebook and Instagram for all my visual deals, and there's a printable breakdown in the description box that you can either print off and take into the store, or you can just pull it up on your phone in the store, whichever works for you. Just makes it easier so you don't have to write all of these deals down. Now, with these deals today, this is an all digital deal haul. No paper coupons are needed, so anybody can do these deals just by using your phone. That's right. You're going to be using the CVS app, the IBOTTA app, and the coupons.com app. You do not have to clip one coupon. So let's get started with some easy deals. The very first deal I'm bringing you today is going to be a total moneymaker, and the moneymaker that we have on this is going to be a $2.04 moneymaker on these toothpaste, or about 51 cents each after we're done as a moneymaker. So that's a really great deal. We're getting 4 tubes of toothpaste and they're paying us $2.04. You're going to pick up 2 of the Colgate Total at 4.8 ounces. Those are $4.99 each. That's about $10 in a total for those 4.8 ounces. And then you're also going to pick up 2 of the 3.3 ounce of the Colgate Total. Those are about $3.99 each, or 2 for $7.98. Now, we do have all of these amazing coupons on the CVS app. When we spend $25, we're going to get that $5 off, and we're doing that, so we'll have that definitely. And then that $7 coupon that you see on the right is going to come off the item that was $7.98. Then there's a $2 coupon that is attaching to the ones that are $4.99. Then we're going to head on over to the coupons.com app. We're able to activate that $2 Colgate that you see there and get that money back as well. In addition to all that, we're also going to get back $4 in extra care bucks because we bought those 2 tubes of toothpaste that were $4.99. Now, we haven't done any Procter & Gamble products in such a long time because we were not getting the Tide coupons like we used to. But if they're on the app, they're digital, they're easy to use. Now, I'm just going to show you what I did. You can do different things, but there is a spend 20, get back $5 on the P&G products. So I'm just going to do it because I need the detergent. The very first thing I'm getting is this Tide Hygienic Cleaner, my favorite. They're $12.99. So I'm going to use this $3 coupon, and they're going to be $9.99. Now, guys, if you are an extreme couponer like me, you know that you can go to the P&G website and get these coupons for the Tide products, the P&G products. But if you print them off today, they do expire tomorrow. They do not have a long shelf life once you print them off. The next thing I'm going to pick up are these Tide Pods. These are $5.49. This is going to help me get to that $20 threshold. And so we're going to use that $1 Tide Pod coupon on the app, bringing these down to $4.49. I'm definitely going to pick these up. I love these Tide Pods, and I like to give these out in blessing bags because they're lightweight. They're not heavy like a big thing of detergent. So definitely going to pick these Tide Pods up for $4.49. Now, my very last item that I'm picking up in my P&G haul to get that spend 20, get $5 back is this bottle of Gain detergent, the liquid detergent. So these again are $5.49 each. We do have this $1 coupon, so it'll make these $4.49. So got to my threshold and I was able to get back my $5 from the P&G extra care bucks. But guys, you can mix and match if you need dryer sheets or the little crystals that smell good, whatever you want to do. But these are just the options that I got today on my P&G products. So the next thing I got, another amazing all digital deal. It's going to be on these General Mills Lucky Charms. Now, I didn't try the other ones to see, but the General Mills has a specific rebate on Ibotta. That's why we're doing the Lucky Charms. So the General Mills cereal, they are $1.99. We're going to buy 2 boxes. You know we love cereal in our house, and I try only to buy cereal at CVS. So we're going to buy 2 boxes at $3.98 each. We do have this coupon for $1 off on 2 when you buy those. So it's going to bring it down to $2.98. Now, check your app because you may have multiples of this coupon that could attach. I'm not sure. Some people do. Then we're going to load our 50 cents on Ibotta, and we're able to get this twice. It's a limit of 5. So what's going to happen is we're going to get back $1 from Ibotta after we purchase these Lucky Charms. So with that $1 coupon and that $1 back on Ibotta, our total is going to be $1.98, or about 99 cents each on the Lucky Charms. Next thing we got are some Carefree Pads. I get these all the time at Kroger, and they're usually either free or a moneymaker, but I went ahead and picked these up anyways because I never get these at CVS. These are $5.79, but they're buy one, get one free this week. So essentially, if you do the buy one, get one free math and you buy 2 of them, it's like $4.34. But when you buy 2, the total is $8.68. We do have a $2 coupon that you see there on the CVS app. And then there's also a $3 in extra care bucks that we'll be getting back. So after the coupon and the extra care bucks, our total is $3.68. In addition to that, I went ahead and submitted my receipt to coupons.com for the $2 back on there as well to see if I'll get it back. I probably won't, but if I do, it's going to make these less than $2, but we will just see if it happens or not. Now, because I don't have paper coupons, I have to be creative when I'm doing these type of deals. Now, if you have paper coupons, you could probably get this for even cheaper than what I did. But what I did was I went ahead and picked up some of the Chic Intuition and just the Skintimate. That way I had the coupons I needed to complete this deal and get to that threshold of $15, spend $15 to get $5 back in extra care bucks. Now, this is an all digital deal, but like I said, if you do have those paper coupons, it will make it even better. So what I did was I picked up 1 Chic Intuition at $9.99, and then I picked up 1 Skintimate at $6.99. By doing that, my total was about $17. There is a $3 digital coupon for the Chic Intuition razor on the app. In addition to that, there's a $4 coupon, which is a high value coupon on the Chic disposables. If you wanted to, you could also submit to the coupons.com app. There is a $4 on the coupons.com app. I'm going to do that just to see what happens. Now, without doing the coupons.com app, my total after the $7 in coupons and the $5 back in extra care bucks, my total is going to be $5 or about $2.50 each. If I do get the $4 back from the coupons app, then my total is going to be $1 or about 50 cents each. For some reason, it did not let me do both of the coupons.com when I submitted my receipt. If it did, it would have been a moneymaker. It just wouldn't work. I don't know why, but I could have gotten back $3 and $4 on the coupons app. It just didn't go through. But see what happens for yours. This could possibly be a moneymaker for you if it goes through on your end. As you can see, these are all the coupons app coupons that I'm going to try to submit in addition to the ones I used from the CVS app. It won't hurt to try. And I'm going to see if I can get this back as well. Here's my total for today. It said I saved $66.01. That is a savings of 93%. I did swipe my card for about $4, and I did have some different things like my CVS carrot promotion, $10 and all that on my app, and my rolling extra care bucks from last week. So, but I saved about 93% today, and I'm pretty happy about and I got some things I needed because we are very, very low on detergent. I can't believe it. I'm never low on detergent, but super excited to save that much money. All right, praisers and savers, thank you so much for joining me on my channel and my deals today at CVS. On Wednesday, we'll be heading into Publix to get our weekly haul in Publix. Please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Tell me what your favorite deal of the day was in the comments. Let me know what you're going to be picking up this week. And if I missed any great deals that you would like to share with us. All right, we'll see you next time in our Publix haul.